Good morning, adventurers.
Morning.
It's an early morning here in Berlin.
It is before 7 a.m.
Yeah, we're the only people on the street and there's this fog looming.
It's very ominous.
Yeah, but we're about to head to the airport. We're heading to Austria today, to Vienna. We've actually never been to Vienna.
We've never been. We've been to Austria once, to Innsbruck for a few days, but never Vienna.
Yeah, we're gonna be meeting up with our friends, Emma and Alex, AKA the Travel Beans.
We're so excited. We
Yeah.
got to meet them in London briefly, and they were so cool. So now we're gonna travel with them for a bit.
Yep, so you guys will see them later, but my hands are freezing and I'm still waking up, so I'm gonna put this away for the most part and we're gonna get to the airport. For some reason, the train blew right past the stop that we needed to get to make our connection, so now we're at some random stop. We're not doing very well on time, so I'm just calling an Uber, which we were trying to resist because how much was it?
40 euros.
Yeah, 40 euro. But it's
not
either that or
good.
miss the flight,
'Cause
and we still
now-
might miss it.
I don't know. No, we'll be fine. Just, it didn't stop at the stop we needed to. And so now I'm wondering if maybe it only stops there certain times a day. So we're too scared to try to take the train back. And this is bad.
Yeah, well, our guy's here, but we're not sure what he's doing. I don't know if he saw us. Okay. So now we've paid for the train and for the Uber. So that's kind of annoying, but better than missing the flight.
We made it to the airport. This airport is very unique. They have like specific security for your gate or for every like 2 gates.
Yeah, so this whole line here is just for this one gate A, and it's taking forever. And everyone's like that.
Very long time. We've moved maybe like 20 feet and I think it's been about 20 minutes. So, but I guess at least once we're through it, we're in there, and I think everyone else here is on our flight, so hopefully they don't leave us, but it's a little strange.
Yeah, there's no food out here.
That was fun. Got properly frisked over there. You guys, I found a new super secure way to wear my camera. You thread it through your belt. That way no one can get it off of you.
She looked at me and said, "Hey, you want to see something stupid? Look what I did."
Well, I might have been in a hurry trying to get my belt back on after security, and I strapped my good old camera in there.
Found sandwiches, you guys. Yes. They're really pumping the classical music. I'm not a huge fan, but it's an interesting mood. This is our first time flying Austrian. We didn't really mention that.
Austrian Airlines, yeah.
Austrian Airlines,
So far, well, the check-in process was kind of ridiculous, but the plane itself is pretty nice. I think more leg room than normal and under the seats.
Yeah, maybe more leg room, but I've already bashed my knee into this thing twice, so we got some pretzel brie sandwiches.
Oh, they are the ones.
Oh, that looks pretty good. We thought they gave us the wrong sandwich, but
They're the right ones.
so it's a pretzel bun, brie, some sun-dried tomatoes. Pretty good.
I think that's it. We have officially arrived in Vienna. The flight was super easy. Eric slept through the whole thing.
Oh yeah, it was nice.
Yeah.
I was very tired.
Austrian Airlines, they came through. They gave you free like coffee, juices. They had wine, I think. We opted not to because it was like 9 a.m.
Yeah, a little too early.
And they gave us like lemon sponge cakes. It was amazing. Super simple, super nice. But we were about to go out and get food because we are starving, but we have to show you this Airbnb we are staying in because check this out, you guys. So as you can see, it's super open. You have the huge kitchen area leading into the dining room area, leading into the living room area. There's plenty of space for people to move around.
Yeah, we love the amount of light that comes in because you've got these 2 gigantic windows. And then there's a bunch of really cool lighting fixtures around here. We kind of just spent a few minutes just going around and discovering it all.
Turning them all on.
So we've got these real cool ones over here. There's a light fixture over there. There's some lighting in the roof over there.
So let's take a look at the rest of it. First up, we are going to the master bedroom. Alex and Emma are not here yet, sorry, so we claimed this for our own. But it's large and beautiful in here.
Yeah, a bunch of natural light,
yep.
Which is great.
And it's really cool art installations everywhere, really nice and simple. And then we have a huge old bathroom in here with a big, nice tub, a separate shower, your classic toilet, a big sink.
Back here, this is the other bathroom, which is pretty similar to the first one, but we have the washing machine. Oh yeah, we're gonna be using that.
Yes.
So we are way behind on laundry.
Yeah, oops, we didn't have the light on.
Yeah.
We have a separate
Another bathroom there.
And then the other cool room is in here, which this one has even more artwork. But I love that every room has all this built-in storage area, so you can shove all your stuff in there, and then it stays nice and clean out in the common spaces.
Look how deep that is. Holy cow. Oh, awesome.
Yeah, they all seem to be custom pieces, which is so cool.
Is this not the coolest headboard you've ever seen? It's got this metal bar, these little leather straps, and then it just kind of attaches to these pillows here. It's really cool. But I absolutely love the color scheme and the style in this place. It's so bright, and they've got nice pastel-y, teal, pink, light gray kind of style. They actually have a bunch of different size units, so of course the bigger one like this is going to cost a bit more, but it does have 3 bedrooms, so if you split it, it's actually quite affordable.
Right.
But they also have those other places as well, so you can go check those out too. The links to this place will be in the description below, so definitely check it out. And of course, we'll have our affiliate code down there. So if you're an Airbnb first timer, we highly recommend it. We use Airbnb everywhere we go, and that affiliate code will give you, I think, up to like $40 off.
Yeah,
so basically like a free night stay. We almost forgot to show you guys the coolest feature of this place. I've never seen this before. You press this button here, and it calls the elevator way down there. I can hear it. It's coming.
It's coming for us.
Think of how many seconds you save over the course of a year when you can call the elevator. Where is the elevator? It's over here.
So we just popped into a restaurant nearby and the food has arrived. I got a salad, but it's mostly just chicken and cheese, I think. And then Eric, oh man, he's being a little naughty. He got the
Wiener Schnitzel. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.
That was like when we went to Innsbruck last time we were in Austria. We had some Wiener Schnitzel that like blew our minds.
Yeah.
So I'm so excited to be back in the land of delicious schnitzel.
I think this is gonna be pretty good. It's sitting on top of this bed of fries. We've got some ketchup and some mayo over there. So it's got this crispy outer layer, but it also seems pretty nice and tender on the inside. Get a big old piece of it. Oh, that's a big piece. Oh yeah, probably too big.
Oh, you went for the whole thing.
Oh man, that is so good, you guys. The pork is nice and tender on the inside. It falls apart in your mouth. It's not overly salty. It's a little bit buttery. You get the crunch from the outer layer. It is just absolutely delicious. He asked me if I wanted 2 pieces, because you can upgrade to 2 pieces for just a couple euro more. And I thought, oh, maybe I should, but look at this thing. I'm so glad I didn't. That is so much meat. Oh yeah, this'll do the trick. That place is really good, but you can smoke on the inside, so everyone in there was smoking. So afterwards, your clothes kind of smell like it, but just hang them up and usually it's okay, but something to be aware of. But the food was very tasty though. We just came to a mall nearby because I'm in desperate need of some gloves, you guys. The temperatures have gotten unbearable out there. And I think I found some.
Yes.
I like these kinds that have like the little mitten thing that you can take off, because that way I can still operate the camera.
Are they thick enough? Probably.
Not really, but they're €8, so it'll do.
Can you see my eyebrows raising?
No.
Oh, dang.
You don't have any eyebrows, remember?
I know. They're so light. Well, what do you think? Is it my new look?
I don't know. I'm not a beret fan. Or maybe you're not wearing it right. I don't know. Is that what it's supposed to look like?
I don't even have a mirror. I just put it on. Now is it good?
Yeah, it's perfect.
All right. Ooh, baby. When in Austria, get some Austrian beer, right?
What did I get?
I don't know.
Gosser. Is this Austrian as well? We just kind of picked these out at random.
I think so.
To Austria. Hooray!
We're here. We're in it. What you got there?
My God, you guys, they have a Super Nintendo ROM thingy. with like every classic on it. Check this out. We've got, oh my God, there's so many good games here. Secret of Mana, Street Fighter, Mario Kart, all the Marios, Earthbound. This is my all-time favorite Super Nintendo game. They have Zelda. I've actually never played Zelda, if you can believe it.
What? Then what's this?
Gotcha! I played a lot of Zelda when I was a kid. How do I decide what to play? Oh, this is oh my God, they got Yoshi's Island. They got everything.
I don't know, we got a lot of work to do, kid.
I'm gonna be working on the Super Nintendo games over here.
This might be the epitome of chill mode.
We've made our decision. We're playing Super Mario Kart.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna just revel in Eric's excitedness while I die immediately.
Oh, you're going down. By the way, we're making like a coconut curry vegetable dish.
Yeah, with
Check
some little
that out.
shrimps in there.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Ooh, it's gonna be delicious.
Got our curry ready. Kind of overflowed because they only had small plates or small bowls, but what are you gonna do? So we've been watching Christmas movies most nights since it's after Thanksgiving. But we were trying to decide what to watch, and Allison had the genius idea, since we're in Austria, to watch, I wouldn't say it's one of our favorite Christmas movies, but we watch it every year.
It's a decent Christmas movie.
It stars Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Is that okay? Because he's Austrian, right?
Yeah. So now we've got our beers.
Yes. To make
We've
us
got
feel
our
better.
dinner.
We have the travel beans on the way. We realized just recently that we forgot to tell them which apartment number we are in.
Yeah.
They know the address and how to get in the front door. I don't know that they know how to find us. So
Yeah, and they don't have cell signal, so hopefully they can hop on the Wi-Fi and we'll sort it. Stay tuned for that, because we're going to sit here and watch this, and in a couple hours they're going to show up. And we'll see if we can find them or they can find their way to the apartment.
You guys, the travel beans didn't get lost forever. They found us.
We made it!
We've also been having some drinks, getting some work done, you know.
Hanging out. Yeah, but for those of you who don't know, this is Alex and Emma from the
You'll
travel
be seeing
beans.
more of us later.
Oh yeah, more than you care to see probably.
That's a threat.
Oh, shoot, that escalated a lot. But I think we'll be coming at you soon with a lot of food, a lot of winter wonderland stuff, mostly because there's a lot of freaking snow in the forecast.
Oh,
So
yeah. I'm actually excited about
I
it.
know. I hope it's going to turn into like a snow globe while we're here. That would be amazing. All right, good night, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.